Okay, so you guys, we're gonna do a bike test on my new bike. So I don't got a helmet today, but let's get it popping. Look at my new bike, you guys. Look at my new bike. Look at my new bike. Yeah, look at my new bike. Hey, bike test. And let go. What is that called? Hey, you guys! Hey! Hey! Whoa! Comment down below. Comment down below. So the car just went like boom, like this, and then the car was trying to go, and I was right in front of the car. Okay, and then whoever vote on this, they gonna get 1,000 likes. I want to get 1,035 likes.